I just put a little braid in there. I gotta keep my forehead big even when I wear a wig. Your wigs be back here. That's cause my hairline is back there. That's where it is. Baby, that's that Legos. Or at least the wig version of it. You might have to go over there to get the real, I don't know. Okay. I'm just gonna say Kyra Sean, step to the front. She's inspired many wigs. Something in my spirit told me there's a wig that you gotta try that is a Kie Design, and it's from OMG Her Hair. Now, that right there should have made you jump up out your seat. Because if you know anything about wigs, you know what time it is with OMG Her Hair. You're not gonna have to struggle. That lace is gonna take it to the place every time. You don't have to worry about the quality of the hair. That's passe. We know that. We know that about OMG Her Hair. Really, when it comes down to OMG Her Hair, it's going to be whether you like the wig or not. That's it. Not whether it's long lasting. Is it soft? Is it human hair? Is it authentically human hair? If it's a colored wig, it's going to be done correctly. Look at that Sienna Brown. Kai told him to put up on now. Huh? Let me tell you what happened. Kai did a review of a Burmese curly wig. I believe it was a 360. And then she told the folks, I like it. Make it a 9x6, which is less lace to have to deal with, and then throw that brown on there and see how it come around. They said, bet, and we gonna name it after you. That's what's on my head. However, I got the 360 just in case I want to get ignorant off up in the back and throw this sucker up, because it still gets warm in North Carolina. I believe it's 70-something degrees today, and it was just 32 the other day. My car talking about it's about to be freezing, so be careful. And now it's 70. Kai, I'm so happy that you suggested this brown color, because every time I wear Burmese curly, somebody, one of my beautiful cousins, will jump on there and say, ooh, I can't wait till they start putting color to these Burmese curly wigs. OMG Her Hair reached out to me and was like, hey, would you like to try some of these wigs, right? And I took a look. I said, that one right there. I said, let me hit that one right there, that Kie Design. This wig is absolutely beautiful. This is an invisible drawstring wig. So you know how you pull those little clear strings and it cinches up in the back and you don't see your kitchen, nothing back there, baby. All you see is hair. What that also does, paired with the silicone patches, paired with the elastic going across, that also makes for a nice glueless picture. And I'm gonna tell you, Kai is the queen of glueless. She'll put a little mousse on that thing and be through with it. So I said, well, let me go ahead and melt it down and see what we talking about. Kie's Design, Sienna Brown, Burmese curly, invisible drawstring, fitted glueless, 360 HD lace wig, baby. That's what's on my head. You can either get the normal pre-plucked hairline or the Legos hairline. I got the Legos hairline. Y'all, they almost need to change that normal, where it says normal pre-plucked hairline, because let me explain something to you. There's nothing normal about an OMG Her Hair pre-plucked hairline. They got the pre-plucked game on lock. It's over with. They are above and beyond normal. So you can get the regular pre-plucked hairline and be just fine. I want you to know that. Because if you just want the design of Legos, get it. But don't feel like it's a necessity. I like Legos because it allows me to design these hairlines, and I did this at the very end, y'all. The whole time there were no swoops, because I know a lot of y'all don't want to do the swoop-a-doops. A lot of y'all like, give me the wig where I can put on and it looks as natural as possible. There's not a whole bunch of swoop-a-doops. I got you. So I'm showing you that. But then at the end, I had to do me.
It's on my head, y'all. I had to do me.
I just threw a couple little things, and I think that looks good, y'all. It's windy outside. Y'all hear that wind? This wig instantly elevates your wig style. Why? Because you have to do very little. They've done the bulk of the work, okay? I tinted the lace, and then I adjusted. With the Legos hairline, you have the ability to lower your hairline. If you got a big old 5 head like I do, you can get a Legos hairline if you want to lower your hairline. I don't like doing that. You'll notice that my hairline still starts back here and I got on a whole wig. It could be down here. But I'm gonna tell you something. My forehead is so sufficient that when I have a regular size forehead, like I could bring my wig down like this, it don't even look right. My face don't even look right. I look in the mirror and my face be like, girl, what did you do? My face don't even look right with a regular size forehead. Y'all probably was wondering that, girl. Your wigs be back here. That's because my hairline is back there. That's where it is. That's where it has been placed. Baby, that's where my hairline resides. Okay? Look at that. Ain't none of my little hair poking out of there. I started it right where it goes. Some of y'all need to start it right where it go and let it show. Because, hey, I got to keep my forehead big even when I wear a wig. Everybody knows. This wig is gonna hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. Oh, this color is so pretty. I'm sitting up here looking at it on the website, baby. I'm looking at it on Kie, and she is rocking it. And the fact that they did all of these things for you makes this wig extremely beginner friendly. You need very little skill. It's versatile. Because this is a 360, you can do updos, you can do mid-level ponytails, buns. You could throw some braids in here. It's soft, it's light. I did not spray this with water. I used some of the pattern mousse. I wanted to keep some of the density. Look, let me come up on you like we finna fight. Look at that. Look. Baby, that's that Legos. That's that, or at least the wig version of it. You might have to go over there to get the real, I don't know. But I just put a little braid in there. Y'all, look at the color. Burmese curly wigs are everywhere, and I'm so excited. There are options for color, perfect for the fall, y'all. Yeah, if you are looking for a beginner-friendly, pretty much pre-styled wig, you really can't go wrong with this. The lace is already cut. We're not cutting lace now. Raised in the 90s, so I'm an oil sheen wig down. Did that, yes. Look at that. Baby, that wig looks so good and greasy. Baby, this wig look like it just got baptized. I ain't lying. How you do that there? Woo, 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 woo. Oh yeah, we gonna use some oil sheen, baby. Believe that. Let me get you to the demo. Y'all, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. This is the Kie Design, baby. And yes, it's fly. She's fly. You see it. Watch what I did.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle